Welcome back, Madhav. Did you get a chance to go out, stretch a little, grab some
I
food?
did. I did. I went for a quick walk in my neighborhood, grabbed a sandwich, grabbed some more coffee, stretched my legs. But yeah, I'm ready to go. It's an exciting afternoon.
Yes, absolutely. Um, that was quite a packed first half of the day, and then we have another a lot of exciting talks and this interactive session planned for the second half. So once again, all this exciting stuff does not happen without the support of other folks. So, support of our community and our partners. So, big shout out to our friends at Ahoy Connect, Thomas and the team, for helping being our presenting partner. Also, our daily programming, content, and all the incredible sessions that we've been hosting have been with the support of these lead partners of the day. So, Fable, we had Fable and Sam join us on Monday, helping us talk all about accessibility and equity in design. Yesterday was all about design systems and tooling, thanks to our friends at Webflow. Day before yesterday. And yesterday was all about remote collaboration with Shipra and folks at Miro. And today, Madhav and I have been learning, absorbing, having all these incredible conversations around design leadership with a remote lens. All thanks to the incredible team at Yelp. Yelp is our lead partner of the day. And Madhav, I think there might also be some folks that are joining in the stream now for the second
Yeah.
half. So if
It,
you, yeah,
No, for sure. You can see how excited I am to talk about this. Talking over you.
absolutely.
No, it's true. I just say we're so delighted to be sponsoring this great conference and getting so much out of it. I am here with like a big contingent of designers from the Yelp design team. You'll see them in sessions. I think my colleague Catherine is moderating a session this afternoon that I'm really looking forward to. But in channels, we have an Ask Yelp channel. If you'd like to ask the Yelp team anything, you'll see that in Slack. And you will also notice we are very active. This is where I look directly into the camera. Very active in the hiring channel because we are hiring quite a bit right now, growing the team in a number of different geos. So please find us there or in the Ask Yelp channel. I had an opportunity to talk more about Yelp this morning, about all the work that we do around our core mission, which is connecting people with the great local businesses that contribute so much to their communities. And that covers a breadth from the apps that you've probably all used to find restaurants or local businesses, but also the work that we do to build tools and products to help local businesses connect with their customers, find new customers, and also software for things like restaurant front of house, wait list and reservations. There's Yelp does a lot of things. So if any of those sound interesting to you, right, and seem like interesting design challenges, again, I've belabored the point, but you know where to find us in Slack and otherwise. But yeah, again, so delighted to be here today, and what a pleasure to get to listen to all of these great talks and have an opportunity to ask questions along with Preet.
Absolutely, absolutely, and it's been amazing for me as well to have you along as the co-host, and after every speaker shares their learnings and conversations, then getting your feedback, your learnings as well as a experienced design leader. So that's been amazing. Thank you for that.
No.
Next up, we have our interactive session with Danielle Souza. Danielle is the senior manager of design operations at Farfetch, joining us from UK. So a little later in the evening, but Danielle's energy is still on, and we'll be jumping into an interactive session soon. So welcome, Danielle.
Thank you. So excited to be here with you folks.
Same here. Same here. Um, I know we did share a little bit of the brief about the activity as well, but what do we have planned for this session?
Yes, it's going to be a very, how can I say, funny session, right? I'm trying to unblock this idea of asynchronous work versus sync work and how designers can create more inclusive design activities. It's going to be very experimental. It's my first time doing this workshop. It was created just for this conference, and we're going to be using Zoom. So it's something that you can try in your company, or because it doesn't need any other tool other than the basic Zoom account, right? and
Wow.
I hope you guys will like. I'm a bit nervous, but I think we're gonna have some fun. That's the most important part, is to play and have fun.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I think already, if you've if that's the you've said a little bit of the what do you call the not the lighthouse. I'm trying to find the right word for it, but you've said the the core foundation, that it will be fun. So it's not
Yes,
meant to be
exactly.
another kind of like a
Yeah,
heavy kind of a sync meeting that people usually try and escape from. So this will
yeah,
be
yes. It's I can bet that it's gonna be one of the best Zoom sessions you had this week, at least.
amazing.
Very bold to say, but I'm working for it.
Such a high bar.
Well,
No, that's awesome.
yeah.
It's not a high bar,
Amazing. Yeah.
right?
That's
So
amazing. So we've already shared the Zoom link for those of you watching the stream. The Zoom link is in Attendify, right in the description. So please click on that Zoom link. And Danielle, I think we are good to then close the stream and move over to
yes,
Zoom. Right?
I'm gonna leave you
Okay.
folks, and I see you soon.
Amazing. So all three of us are going to jump into Zoom. Please click join the link. It's in Attendify. It's also in the Slack announcement that I just made. And we'll see each other and everyone else in Zoom. Bye.